Hello guys, you are all welcome back to this channel once again. And on today's video, we are live in Ekwulobia, where the Anambra state government is constructing a mini fun city / stadium in Ekwulobia town. And by the time this project will get completed, it would actually boost the fun life in this city, and if also the economic activities around these areas would be improved. So we are going to take you right within this project site so that we would all see the massive progress that has been recorded so far from the last time we visited this construction of the township stadium that is going on in Ekwulobia. All around this facility there has been massive progress. The grandstand is almost completed because what they are doing at the grandstand now is roofing, and also other progresses have been recorded. Even at the pitch, they have already begun planting of the green grass, that's the carpet grass for the football pitch, and also the country club is experiencing a massive progress. All the same, there are also restaurants, there is a supermarket, there is an indoor game house, and a lot of facilities that are being constructed within this township stadium. That is why I call it a mini fun city. So stick with us on this video because we are going to take you around all of this facility completely so that you would see the massive work that the Anambra state government, talking about the Soludo's administration, is doing in Ekwulobia at the moment. So if you look around right now, we are right behind the grandstand. So you can see what the grandstand is looking from the behind already. To be sincere, they have really achieved a very huge milestone on this particular construction from the last time we visited this project site. So if you really want to know how this project started and how it got to this point, you can actually go through some of the videos regarding this project, and then you would understand what I am talking about when I say that there has been massive progress recorded already. Probably at the end of this video, I might be leaving a link to one of the videos we did some time ago about this project, so that you also go through that video and have a review of what has been done or achieved already. There has been other videos we did about this project, so you can also go through our channels and see some of these videos for yourself. So right now we are within the township stadium that is being constructed by the Soludo's administration, and also if you look around, you will notice that the pitch is already taking shape. Yes, the football pitch is already taking shape. As I'm talking to you right now, you can see someone over there watering the pitch. They have already planted the carpet grass on this pitch. And don't forget, the last time we visited this project, I told you they are going to have a natural grass and not the artificial grass planted on the pitch or used for the pitch. So I remember vividly some persons were saying that they should not have used the natural grass, that's the carpet grass, that they would have used the artificial one for the pitch. And some of these persons also gave their reasons, which include maintenance culture, talking about maintaining the natural grass. But I can't really fathom why maintaining of the natural grass would or should be a problem. But it seems like our people naturally find it difficult to maintain such a natural grass. Then let's now assume that it's truly artificial grass that is being put in place. I believe also that artificial grass needs maintenance, if at all, or if assuming it was artificial grass that will be used for this pitch, it will also need maintenance. So either way, anyone that would have been used would also require maintenance, because the artificial grass could not just be fixed and left like that. It also requires some form of maintenance. I believe so. Just in case I'm not right, you can also let us know about that on the comment section. So if you look over here, you can see what the grandstand is already looking like. To sincere with you, this grandstand has already approached a serious milestone from what it used to be. So we are live, guys. We are live in Ekwulobia Township Stadium, and we are bringing you these updates from the stables of BlessingGodwinTV. So I also love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your recommendations, your ideas, your views, whatever it is you think about this project that the Anambra State is undertaking right now in Ekwulobia town. Please do well to share with us on the comment section. And also, if you know things about what is going on right now at this project site that we don't know about, please, we indulge you to do well to share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. Also, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. So guys, once again, this is what the grandstand of this stadium is looking like already. If you remember, before now it used to be a half of this, but they now extended it from both sides, and it's a very good thing they really extended the grandstand, because if it has been left the way it was before, it would look small and it wouldn't even contain much people. But what we have here right now is going to contain as much people as possible, and that is a very good one. So we are live, guys. This is an update coming to you from the stables of BlessingGodwinTV, and I would love you to really let us know what you think about this project, your ideas, your advices, your commendations, whatever it is you would love to let us know or share with us. Please do that on the comment section. Also, we'll also take you towards the country club. Yes, there's a country club that is under construction within this facility. We will take you there so that you will see what is going on around that section. Also, there is going to be a restaurant, just like I told you earlier on. There is going to be a restaurant within this facility. There is going to be an indoor game house within this facility. There is going to be a supermarket within this facility. And all of these stuff that are going to be added to this township stadium is to make the place busy and lively, even when there is no football match going on or when there is no any function going on within this facility. You can actually drive in to get some provisions from the supermarket or some beverages you would need. You can also drive in to eat from the restaurants, buy food, or also relax. You can actually drive in to unwind at the indoor game house that will be placed right within this facility. So there is a lot of advantages that those facilities would add to this township stadium, and that is why I said it is going to be a mini fun city. Alongside the country club also, all of these are going to make this facility to really be very busy, even when there are no functional activities like the football match or any public gathering taking place within this facility. So over here you can see the country club that is under construction within the Ekwulobia Township Stadium. So this is the country club that is under construction. Let's also take a look inside and see what the inside looks like. And also, if you take a very close look at this construction, you will notice that it is certainly going to be an upstairs. Yes, because of the foundation. You can see what the foundations look like. It's a solid work that's been done here, and it is certainly going to be an upstairs. So this work has a long way to go, and it is progressing positively. So this is what the country club is going to look like, and this is what it's currently looking like at the moment. And by the time it's completed, it is going to look so beautiful. You can see that it's also spacious. Yes, the facility is quite spacious, and I believe this section is going to be the restroom section and what have you. So let's step out. I'll also show you where we are going to have the restaurant, the supermarket, and the indoor game house and other facilities that will be available within this project site. Also, if you look closely behind the grandstand, you will see some doors and windows that are being fixed with glasses. Yes, those are the restaurant section, and I will come back to that place so that you will see what I'm showing you clearly. So over here is still the country club area. Yes, this is another section of the country club facility that is under construction, and like I told you earlier before now, it is certainly going to be an upstairs. You can see the rods, you can see the pillars. Yes, you can see the pillars from one point to another. There are lots of pillars, so it's definitely going to be an upstairs that they are constructing on ground. So now I would love you to take a good look behind this grandstand. You can see some doors and windows over there. Yes, those are where we are going to have our restaurants. We are also going to have a supermarket beneath the grandstand. We are going to have indoor game house beneath the grandstand. So it's going to be very, very massive. Just in case you have also watched up to this point, I'd love to say thank you so very much. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now.